How to create scrolling text in Elementor without a plugin. This is a very basic feature everyone is using to show a promo on their website, on their e-commerce store, or something else. So before the people are doing this using a plugin, or maybe the people that don't know that exists another way that is very simple, and I'll show you in 2 minutes how you can achieve this one here. To do this, uh, we don't need a plugin, as we said at the beginning. So let's create a new section. Let's do from the beginning. Let's create a new section. Okay, let's give some space up so we can divide it together. And let's get the HTML element. So here it is, HTML widgets. Let's put it here. Now it is based on you if you want it boxed or the full width of the website. I do prefer full width. And from here on this, let's type Marquee. If we close this, the Elementor automatically will add the close tag. So here now, let's put the text. So this is, or let's do how to create scrolling text in Elementor without a plugin. Okay, and now as you can see, the text is scrolling. So as you can see, it's very easy just using this tag and an HTML code widget on Elementor. Now we can move this in right direction or left direction as well. So let me okay, let's do the background red, something else just in case, or let's do something else since we do have one. Black. Okay, now we need to make the text white, so let's create a style here, color white. Let's give a font size. Let's do 30 pixels. Okay, now we have text scrolling with font size and the color. Now we need to move this on the other direction if you want. So let's go here and type direction. Right now is from the right to the left. So it's going from right to the left. So if we type left, nothing changes. And if we type right, it will go to the right, as you can see. So this is how you can create a scrolling text in Elementor without a plugin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow and subscribe me for more Elementor videos. I will never stop doing Elementor videos. If you want something to know how to do, simply leave a comment. What do you want to achieve that you are not finding, and I'll try to respond with a video how to do that so you can learn and everyone else can learn. Thank you very much.